Time for a brand new ultimate taste test. And what will I be trying today? Well, it's going to be something sweet and something chocolatey. But that's what I'm going to tell you for right now. But we'll be right back. It's time for a brand new ultimate taste test. And what will I be trying today? I'll be trying M&M's Hazelnut Spread. Yes, M&M's Hazelnut Spread. I have the pack right here. And it is time. They're bigger than a regular M&M. I would hope so because they have a lot more flavor back to them. And they look like that on the inside. But how will they taste? Well, let's find out. A crunchy shell on the outside, of course. All M&Ms have that. With minor exceptions, and a nice creamy texture on the inside, and it has a very subtle, subdued flavor of hazelnut. It's a hazelnut chocolate combination, and it's very good. I would rather have more of a hazelnut taste to it, but other than that, it's quite good. And on that note, I will give it a rating of, I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Does that surprise anyone? Does it shock anyone? Well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. If you like my shirt, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, you can put them in the comment section below. If you're brand new to this channel and you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Become part of my YouTube family. The more the merrier. And of course you can share this video with your friends, and if you wish to, you may write me a letter. You can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.